Dear student, good morning. Today we start a topic Rutherford's scattering experiment or Rutherford model of an atom. Student, after the discovery of radiation, the Rutherford made an experiment and they put a source of radioactive substance which is from the alpha particle, a gold foil and photographic plate which is dip on the zinc sulfide, a very sensitive layer, and movable microscope for luminous scintillation. They observe alpha particle, positive sphere, electrons, and beam of alpha particle, beam scattering. Red color are showing the nucleus of an atom. In a symbolic, C is a large deflections, B is a small deflections, A undeflected particle. So student, he form an observation that most of alpha particles 99% pass through gold foil undeflected, very large space within the atom. A small fraction of alpha particle got deflected through small angles, means heavy positive mass present in atom. Very few, means 1 upon 20,000 did not pass through the foil, means direct collision with heavy positively charged mass. So Rutherford reach a conclusion. First, in an atom, the entire mass and the positive charge is concentrated in a very small region at the center known as nucleus. Second, the positive charge of the nucleus due to protons. The magnitude of the positive charge on the nucleus, number of protons is different for different atoms. Third conclusion, the mass of the nucleus is due to protons and some other neutral particles each having mass nearly equal to the mass of proton, means neutron. Fourth one, the nucleus is surrounded by negatively charged electrons which balance positive charge, thus atom is electrically neutral. Fifth conclusion is the electrons are not stationary but are revolving around the nucleus at a very high speed. The sixth conclusion are the electrons and nucleus are held together by electrostatic force of attraction. And seventh conclusion are most of the space in an atom between the nucleus and the revolving electrons is empty. So student, after the Rutherford model, the third fundamental particle of atom, discovery of neutron, is the topic. Chadwick in 1932 bombarded a thin sheet of beryllium element with alpha particles and observed highly penetrating rays which consist of streams of neutral particles. You have seen on the reaction beryllium, they have 9 atomic mass and atomic number is 4, bombarded by the alpha particles. So new atom is formed which is carbon and the neutron are split. So neutron have no charge, mass is just similar than proton, 1.675 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. Relativity table you have seen on the display student. The mass of electron, proton, neutron, relative mass, approximate mass, charge and relative charge. It's simple. Protons are heavier than electrons, neutrons are just similar in a mass, neutron have no charge, electron is negatively charged and proton are positively charged. Student, in a chemistry, in an atom you represent by the symbol of element. A show to the mass number in a superscript and a subscript. Z is known as atomic number. Always be mass is above side and number of atomic number is below side. So next topic is what is mass number, designated by the symbol A. Number of protons plus number of neutrons known as mass, and always be atomic number is equal to the number of protons, and in a neutral atom proton always be equal to the number of electrons. Isotopes. Student, atoms of same element which have the same atomic number but different mass number, they have same number of electrons and proton but different number of neutrons. known as isotopes. Example, hydrogen has 3 isotopes: protium, deuterium and tritium. Only the mass is different but the atomic number is same. All the isotopes of a given element which show almost same chemical properties due to same number of electron. You know very well, in a chemical reaction only the electrons are participate and electrons are equal to the number of protons, so there are only the number of neutrons different in the isotope condition. Students, second topic is isobars, atoms of different elements having the same mass number but different atomic number due to the sum of proton plus neutron are same. So they have different chemical property due to different number of electrons. For example, argon, mass is 40, 18 proton, 22 neutron. Potassium, 19 proton and 21 neutron, but the mass number is same, 40. Calcium, 20 proton, 20 neutron, but the mass are same. So those substances which have the same mass number but different atomic number known as isobars. So third types of a category known as isotones, atoms having same number of neutrons but different mass number. Example, silicon, 14 protons, 16 neutron. Phosphorus, 15 protons, 16 neutron. Sulfur, 16 protons, 16 neutron. So you have seen only the number of neutrons are same, so they are considered as a isotone. Student, another topic, isoelectronic atoms and ions. The species atoms or ions containing same number of electrons. Example, oxygen 10 electron, O2 negative. Fluorine ion 10 electron, sodium ion 10 electron, magnesium ion 10 electron, aluminium ion 10 electron, neon inert gas they have 10 electrons. So they are considered as a isoelectronic species.